Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bilkesh and I wish you a great day ahead. So, somebody's back. I'm here to tell you guys something really nice. Big talks, I know, just 500 subscribers, but I'm glad. This is what I was going to talk about and I'm like super excited. That is, come on, we have hit 500 subscribers and I'm so thankful to all of you. That inner child in me is like super happy, squeaky happy. I'm so glad. Thanks for sticking with me. The most important part here in my vlog is that I love staying alone, and I have been staying alone say for 8 years, 7-8 years. And it's great. पहले थोड़ा सा struggle हुआ था because my family was here and then they had to live for their own purpose and work. So I was left here alone with my work and stuff. But eventually, I started liking it. So liking it in the sense it became my home. I made it my home. I have invested in my little flat ताकि ये घर घर जैसे दिखे and सिर्फ एक चार दीवार वाला जगह ना लगे. So that's it. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके मैं इसको घर बनाई अपने हिसाब से and I'm like really glad. And I hope if not all किसी को at least थोड़ा सा hope मिले and अच्छा लगे, relief मिले कि आप अकेले भी रह सकते हो when you're like really bound to stay separately from your family for whatever purpose it is in your life. चाहे वो काम के लिए हो या फिर some other reasons के लिए हो, right? So that's the main thing. वो एक फिल्म का डायलॉग है ना लापता लेडीज में, where that auntie चाय वाली आंटी sees to fool that जब आप अकेले रहना शुरू कर दो ना, you're not really scared of anything because come on, you're living alone, you're living a life alone. It's like a big deal. If you can really do it all on your own, nothing can scare you off. So yeah, I completely agree, and hopefully I'll get to come up with even more amazing content for you guys. Keep supporting, keep talking to me on comments. अच्छा लगता है and I'm really a kind person, so you can talk to me. Let's stick with each other. Let's make this community a really helpful, strong community with just positivity and good stuff. है ना? And कोई अगर गलत बोलेगा तो उसे इग्नोर कर दो. So anyway, can we start the vlog? Yes. Hi guys, it's Monday morning and my nose is completely blocked because it's winter is almost hitting the door. Actually, I already hit the door. तो ऐसा आवाज़ पूरा vlog में आपको मिलेगा. So Monday morning pretty much started with a nose strip on my nose because too many blackheads and whiteheads. And उसके बाद ना recently I have introduced 3 things in my morning routine. And that is which is मैं पहले कर चुकी हूँ. I started doing this oil pulling first thing in the morning with coconut oil. It helps with your gums problem and all of this, जो कि मेरे को ना विंटर में होने लगता है. प्लस अगर आप वीडियो के एकदम बिगिनिंग में देखोगे you can already spot me with a swollen gum. So this nose strip is really nice from far. मतलब अच्छे से इसका black and white निकल जाता है. You must have already seen. And जो भी black color का residue रहता है, you can just simply remove them with a wet tissue. And you can already see my skin is skinning because of the weather, I promise. कुछ खास नहीं है. Obviously workout and good things to start in the morning. And overall clean eating. मैं नहीं बोलूँगी कि 100% clean eating है, but almost 70%. So that's the skin situation. My hair is also doing great. तो मैं थोड़ा गर्म पानी में हिबिस्कस टी थोड़ा सोक करके रखी थी. टिल देन मैं नोज स्ट्रिप हटा रही थी, तो ये तब तक रेडी हो गया था. नाउ आई एम हैविंग माय हिबिस्कस टी. This tea is really nice. It's a little bit on the sour side. Otherwise, I love tea. I like all kinds of tea, and I can really have like bitter to sweet ones. I don't like sweet tea or coffee much, but yeah, the naturally flavored ones works for me. And this is really good for women generally. एंड दैट्स hibiscus tea. एंड आई ऑल्सो ऑयल माई हेयर एंड अच्छे से उसको बांध ली यूजिंग मिलीज क्लिप्स ऑफ कोर्स. हम लोग शेयर करते हुए गर्ल्स. मिलीज branch is almost ready. She had like little nibbles in the morning. She was really not feeling like eating. तो थोड़ा सा उसको ना वो मिल्क बिस्किट था तो मैं वो खिला दी. एंड नाउ शी इज़ गोइंग टू हैव हर ब्रांच एंड दैट्स गोइंग टू कीप हर फुल फॉर सम टाइम. एंड आज मंडे मॉर्निंग है तो आज वर्क फ्रॉम होम भी है. सो आई हैव सम टाइम इन माई हैंड इन द मॉर्निंग बिकॉज आई वर्क अप रियली अर्ली. It's just for her. From the day she came into my life, I have become even more responsible and on time. And like I prioritize my time a lot. तो फिर उसके बाद खाना वाना खाने के बाद शी पीड एंड द पी एंड poop were all over her. Anyway, she's like a very good girl, but कभी कभी ऐसे accidents होता है. So anyway, I had to give her a bath. और अभी तो winter है एंड आई गिव हर अ बाथ वार्म बाथ से आफ्टर 10-12 डेज. इससे पहले ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता है टू बी ऑनेस्ट बिकॉज इससे पहले लास्ट टाइम आई गिव हर अ बाथ वॉज अराउंड 10 days back. So every time I give Millie a good bath, I always make sure to change my sheets because उसको ना ब्लो ड्राई करने के बाद हेयर वेयर इधर उधर होता है थोड़ा बहुत. तो इसलिए उतना भी नहीं ज़्यादा होता है बट होता है. सो आई मेक श्योर टू चेंज माई शीट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट ताकि फ्रेश लगे. प्लस माई पीरियड इज़ ऑल्सो क्लोज एंड आई रियली वॉन्ट माई बेड शीट टू बी क्लीन एंड रेडी. आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू स्लीप ऑन अ नास्टी बेड शीट while I'm on my periods. So after I took my bath and I had my shampooed my hair. This is like the basic skincare I usually do, which is like a toner, serum and moisturizer. That's it. And I'm all fresh. Now I'm going to have my breakfast. A little plan check. अभी मैं खाऊंगी. मैंने लास्ट टाइम ये चना बना के रखी थी लाइक काला चना एंड आलू का सब्ज़ी which I really love to eat with rice and moody. Moody is like puffed rice. I love moody a lot. Like I can have moody in the morning. I can have moody in the night. बहुत जन बोलते हैं कि moody रात को नहीं खाना चाहिए but मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. And sometimes when I don't have rice and I don't feel like cooking rice yet again, I just have moody. And this is like really a nice combination of chana and moody with some pyaz, mirchi, nimbu, chaat masala. Oof, it tastes so good. Try it for yourself and let me know if you really like it or not. I can have anything with moody, like gugni moody. I really like chicken ka leftover aloo with moody. Not chicken with moody but aloo with moody. Or I can simply have anything like chana chur with a little bit of pyaz and moody. Oof, I love moody. Anyway, so this is going to be my late breakfast or lunch, somewhere in the middle, which is a brunch. This is going to be my brunch. So yeah, I'm going to eat this and quickly get back to work because बहुत टाइम हो गया है और मैं कल रात को ही बहुत लेट तक जागे रहती थी. And I wrapped up some of my work, which is why these days I couldn't really like record much and vlog much or post कर नहीं पाती because I have been like really busy with some of my business related work. So anyway, I am having one thekua that a friend of mine got for me along with this smoothie and some coffee, and it's amazing combination. I hope I can have thekua every other day, but I love it, but I can't have it every other day. So yeah, now I'm getting back to work, which is lots of fabrics. मैं उसका फिर से रीमेजरमेंट ले रही हूँ before I give it further for work. तो एक का मैं पूरा हिसाब मिला रही हूँ. तो यही काम रहता है अभी के लिए. So it's a small business, so it's mostly done single-handedly by me, and my partner definitely gets some of the credits for sure because he has always been around and with me throughout. So the very next morning फिर मैं और कुछ नहीं रिकॉर्ड की. It's the next morning, so I'm just simply making a mask for myself. This dry mixture is made of moong dal, oats and rice. I grinded them really fine. उसके बाद मैं बस कॉफ़ी और हनी मिक्स कर रही हूँ. And this is going to be a nice coffee scrub slash mask. You can spray some rose water or facial mist, whatever you have, and it's good for your skin. This is absolutely clean. It has got all the good ingredients that a lady can ask for. Rice for the glow. And there's many other benefits too. You can Google all the ingredients. Masoor ki dal is like a perfect ingredient for scrubbing. And then comes oats again. Something great for skin overall. Whether you eat it or apply on your face, it's just perfect. If you continue to take care of your skin throughout, like once a week, proper face mask and all of it, एक महीने में obviously will get some result. But if you say, if you like to use face mask from brands, you can do that. Do suggest me also if there's like really good face mask brand out there. My skincare is generally normal. It's the same moisturizer that I have been applying since years. Same serum. I have just included retinol and peptides recently because girls getting old but young at heart. That's my face pack. Looks scary, but the result is amazing. Going to be amazing. Also, do try this face mask. It's like really nice, you know. Okay, so after say when it is almost drying up, वो dry तो नहीं होगा because honey है. Say after 15-20 minutes I'm going to wash it off. आज मैं गर्म पानी से नहाऊंगी.
When the wild winds blow through the empty pathways of my...
Okay, I haven't done my skincare yet, but this is what my skin looks like. Absolutely nice, no? Yeah.
Stand my ground, hear the sound.
We don't waste any product. जो हाथ में बचता है वो इधर लग जाता है. Still my elbows are dark. Why do I talk so much? Now that I've started like really talking to the camera, I can't stop myself. See? Like I said, okay, moisturizer time. I was quiet for some time and then I started blabbering. Okay, so I'm done with my skincare and looking fantastic, and I'm all ready to take over the day with a little bit of dance, of course, because recently I'm just simply so hyperactive with my energy because period is close and this is the face before APMS ka situation hai, I promise. This is like the song from sung by Rose. I remember the song, don't you want me like I want you, baby? It's that. So जो भी है, फिर से कुछ दिनों के बाद मिली, फिर से कांड कर दी, एंड देन आई हैड टू गिव हर अ बात येट अगेन. सो दैट्स द सिचुएशन. मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, कुछ नहीं बोलने को है. आई वॉज रियली स्केयर्ड दो लाइक गिविंग हर फ्रिक्वेंट बाथ, बट ठीक है, शी वॉज एबल टू टेक इट बिकॉज मैं ठंडा पानी से उसको नहलाती नहीं हूँ. मतलब इट्स प्रीटी मच अ वार्म बाथ फॉर हर. मिक्स ज़्यादा भी गर्म नहीं तो दे स्टार्ट शेडिंग देयर हेयर ऑल्सो. इट्स नॉट रियली दैट ग्रेट फॉर डॉग्स टू. सो आई यूजुअली यूज 2 serums for Millie. One is like this creamy serum that is great for good perfume, and the other one is the oily one which is great for detangling her hair ताकि उसको ज़्यादा भी ना लगे. So after doing all this, I started making my breakfast and got ready for work, which is this quinoa wrap. Pretty easy, just soak your quinoa overnight and mix with some beetroot, blend it and make the wraps. अब रैप बनाने के टाइम थोड़ा सा ऑयल का ज़रूरत है. जस्ट मेक वन एग रोल आउट ऑफ इट. इट्स दैट ईजी. जैसे आप एग रोल बनाते हो विथ रोटी, लेफ्ट ओवर रोटी, इट्स द सेम. यूज़ वॉट एवर यू हैव, एड सम चाट मसाला and your choices of condiments and sauces, and just eat it. It's like pretty simple recipe. You guys can definitely give a try just for that healthy kick. So anyway, this is Millie's situation while I'm working. That is, she's looking after the toys. कौन से वाले वो लेके खेले. फिर शाम में ना पता नहीं एक स्पैरो घुस के आ गया था, and Millie got really excited. She loves birds and she was like eager to catch the bird and eat it maybe. So anyway, after fixing her toys, we planned to go out for some shopping for Christmas. फिर हम लोग थोड़ा ज़ारा भी गए just to check out the collection. I usually don't shop from Zara because those are like shit expensive. I don't really want to spend my money on that. And I really like making my own clothes, with from Taylor. They look amazing. Or just basic stuffs from Zara and H&M works for me. So I got some Christmas ornaments this time. I'm planning to do a white and gold theme for my Christmas. Let's see. So फिर से घर जाने के बाद फिर मैं रात को फिर से निकली like late night around 9, and I came here for some tea because he went back home and he came back again. तो ऐसे रात को थोड़ा सा चाय वाय पी के फिर मैं वापस गई, and then it was time to feed Millie actually. तो मिली को खाना वाना खिलाने का टाइम है, तो उसका खाना I always meal prep her food for 2-3 days and it stays pretty much great in the fridge. Like basic stuffs, थोड़ा सा chicken, vegetables. I prepare a separate, I do not throw away her stock, so I keep it so that she can generally have it with something or the other. And पनीर जब मैं उसको देती हूँ वो फ्रेश देती हूँ, वो मैं meal prep नहीं करती हूँ. She's eating her food, so I thought of making myself some glass of chamomile tea. तो मैं वही बना रही हूँ. पता नहीं मैं काफ़ी फुल हूँ. एक्चुअली हम लोग साउथ सिटी में कुछ खाना भी खाए थे and then I forgot to record. So anyway, if you guys have really liked my video so far, do like, share, subscribe and stick with this girl. And I'll soon see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, see you. Bye bye.